Making money with digital products is a great way to generate passive income by creating and selling non-physical items. Here's how you can get started. Create and sell ebooks or guides. Write and sell ebooks, how-to guides, or educational materials on platforms like Amazon Kindle, Gumroad, or your website. Choose topics you're knowledgeable about, such as self-help, business, or niche hobbies, to attract a specific audience. Design and sell digital art or printables. Create digital art, illustrations, or printable planners and sell them on Etsy, Gumroad, or Redbubble. You can design printable items like planners, calendars, and inspirational quotes, which customers can download and print at home. Develop and sell software or apps. If you're skilled in coding, create software, mobile apps, or website themes. Sell them through platforms like the Apple App Store, Google Play, or your own website. Offer online courses or tutorials. Share your expertise by creating video courses or workshops on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare. Topics could range from marketing to graphic design to coding. Sell music, audio, or stock photos. Create and sell royalty-free music, sound effects, or stock photos on platforms like Audio Jungle, Shutterstock, or Adobe Stock.